What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Neve. Neve by Labo Cosmetica. We have a couple of pre-washes, foams and everything, but we also have something called Neve, meaning snow. Snow as in the form of a pH neutral, thick layer of snow that is going to put on the car and loosen up the dirt. It's pH neutral. That means you can use this product anytime, anywhere. The rules of a cool car and in direct sunlight disappear with Neve. It gives you the allowance to use this all the time in summer, winter, outside, hot, cold, and always have a safe and decontaminating result on the car. The strength of this product comes from its surfactants. The surfactants help the dirt get loosened from the surface. So it's not like an alkaline or an acid. What makes it also very interesting is that this product also has a VDA certification. You would say, why a VDA certification? Well, as you can see here on the bottle, the pure concentrate by itself still has some danger signs. So to increase the strength of the product and to prove that it's safe, we put it up to the test at the VDA, proving indeed that this product is safe for all the surfaces that you can find on the car. I know this country is crazy about foaming, and I can tell you that this product makes it a little bit more interesting because the value of the product is very nice. So the dilution ratios for the Primus and Purifica are 1 to 10 at the highest dilution, where this one can go from 1 to 25 to 1 to 50. Depending on how much foam you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to use 1 to 25, meaning 2.5 caps in 1 liter of foam, and to see how well this foam would perform. Let's go! It's nice and thick compared to the liquids of the Primus and the Purifica. You can use this in the same effect as Primus and Purifica, meaning that you can use a sprayer to pre-spray. I'm not saying that it's going to increase the power a lot, but it's going to improve the product a lot more. 1 to 25 in a foam gun, 1 to 25 in a spray on the car. Whatever you like. For this demonstration, I only want to show you the performance Neve by itself. I like this foam the most. However, I can imagine if you want to increase, you are most welcome to do so. The thicker the foam is meaning that it's also going to become more heavy. So thick foam on top might be a good idea than having thick foam on the side. I'm happy to see that it's sticking very nicely, even though we are also losing a little bit of product. But the most important thing is that the foam is still sticking to the surface, meaning that it's still working. It's still doing something. Small summarize, just in case. pH neutral, safe on every single surface, safe in direct sunlight, safe on a hot paint, extremely valuable dilutions in 1 to 25 in the foam gun. You can increase, but my suggested dilution is 1 to 25. pH neutral, and you can always follow up with anything Semper or Rivitex. See you guys next time.